When you have a starter base connected, you can begin using the Popup app of KDP Wizard. We've included some sample data in the starter base. If you don't see anything, just hit the magnifying glass search button to perform a blank search and display those books. You can clear the sample data from your base whenever you like. Just click to select the records you wish to remove, right click and select Delete All Selected Records. Don't worry though, if you remove one of your own books by mistake, it will reappear the next time you push it to your base. Once you've removed the sample data and have your own books pushed to the base, start by loading them up by performing a blank search to load up your books. The basic search box takes any single word or phrase and searches in most of the fields for that book. To narrow down the search, enter a word and hit enter to show the results. If you get an error or nothing loads, just clear the search field and perform a blank search again by hitting the Clear Filters button. KDP Wizard displays the first 300 books in the search results due to current Airtable API limitations. Combine filters with the search box to drill down further if you have thousands of book titles. The filters allow you to restrict the search even more. The source selector is set to bookshelf by default, which is where all the books you've pushed from your KDP bookshelf dashboard will appear. If you've created new books in your Airtable base by using the new products or scalar tables, select that here to be able to pull in data from those tables instead of from the bookshelf. We'll have a separate video for these specifically as you don't need them to get started using KDP Wizard. The status filter shows you only books which had the selected status when they were last pushed to the base. Product type filters the results by book type to show either paperbacks, ebooks or both. For example, use the controls to show all live books listed on paperback containing the word cosmic. Hit the Clear Filters button to remove any search words or filters and return to the default results page showing all of your books.